Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let me tell you a little bit about it. This is what I want to do. I am a dad. I've got 3 daughters. They're grown now. They're married. They've got kids of their own. I'm a granddad. But I wanted to create a channel to be able to pour into other people. So many people out there don't have dads, or they have dads that really don't give them the time or wisdom and just share nuggets of life, just wisdom that they can pour into them. So I wanted to try to fill that role. When I was a kid growing up, I didn't have a dad in the picture. I had a single mom, raised up in a trailer park. My granddad poured wisdom into me. Other, men kind of mentored me through life. I'm a big professional development nut, so I love learning from other people. So I wanted to create this channel to give back. So if you're in that 13 to 30-year-old range and you just need that fatherly advice in your life in little 2 to 7 minute windows of wisdom, tune into this channel, subscribe below. I would love to have you as a subscriber. I'm going to be posting maybe 1 or 2 videos a week. Hopefully soon I'll have a big bank of knowledge that I can pour into you. A lot of it is just my opinions, things that I've learned, but hopefully one of them, some of them, a handful of them can make your day, can help you get through a situation that you're currently going through, or just give you that added advice to help you make the best decision for whatever you're facing. Anyway, that's what this channel is about. I would love to have you subscribe below. Make sure you click the bell also. That will help you get notifications when I post new videos on new subjects. Have a fantastic day, and thank you so much for coming by.